Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox zombie wave game. First, open Roblox Studio and begin a new project using the baseplate template. You'll want to establish distinct spawn locations, one for your players and another for the incoming zombie hordes. Then, craft a simple yet engaging arena. Incorporate elements like walls, crates, or structures to provide cover and strategic points for players to utilize during the waves. Next, let's bring your zombies to life. You'll need a script to manage their spawning, perhaps every 5 to 10 seconds, increasing with each wave. Crucially, program their artificial intelligence to relentlessly pursue the closest player. Assign them specific characteristics, like 100 health points, a moderate movement speed, and an attack that deals 10 damage per hit, making them a tangible threat. Now let's empower your players. Provide them with a starting weapon, perhaps a simple blaster, and a robust health system, typically 100 health. Design a dynamic wave system where each new wave introduces more zombies, or perhaps stronger variants, increasing the challenge. Don't forget a scoring system. Award players points for each zombie defeated and bonus points for completing a wave, encouraging them to survive. Finally, it's time to polish your game. Enhance the experience with sound effects for shooting, zombie groans, and damage indicators. Create an intuitive user interface to show player health, current score, and the active wave number. Dedicate significant time to testing. Play through your game repeatedly to identify any bugs, ensure smooth gameplay, and adjust parameters like zombie health or player damage to achieve a perfectly balanced and enjoyable challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.